let's get started. So the first three slides have all the mistakes on them. My first slide is my topic, my persuasive speech topic, which is Brexit and its potential impact on Britain and Europe. This is pretty straightforward. I don't think there's much to talk about here. So let's move on to the second slide. This has the consequences of Britain leaving the European Union. So you can clearly see there's too many information in this slide. It does not follow the 6x6 rule. Moreover, if you look at these two bullet points, global markets disturbed by Brexit and immigration laws will be altered for EU citizens. These are in two different fonts, and one is bold, the other is not. So there's clearly lacks consistency. Also, the dashes here are not aligned. Let's move on to the solutions slide. Now this has three concise solutions which should have more explanation to it. This looks very empty. The slide can be more information can be added. So now let's move on to my corrections. Now Brexit is capitalized here, all the letters in Brexit, and everything else is pretty much the same. It's a bit bigger than the first slide, so that people can really read it properly, and it does not have a lot of empty space in the slide. Let's move on to the consequences of Britain leaving EU. Now I've changed the font and the design here to look more bright and colorful. It has a concise bullet points. I've used serif or whatever it's called, the font. I've made the letters pretty visible and big. To moving on to the solutions to the problem. Now I've did some animation here to make it look more neat. I have three different points which are explained more than the first slide, and they're all consistent in terms of the font size. It's clearly visible and you could understand what is going on here. I've used, in both the slides, I've used the same layout and same design to keep the consistency. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you.